What's good, guys? It's me again, back here with another unboxing. Obviously I haven't been uploading as consistently as I have because money doesn't grow on trees. But what we have here, you could probably tell by the detailing of the box and the title of this video. So let's just get straight into it. Let's get rid of that pillow. So here you got the normal black and red Jordan box. Well, that's what it looks like, but as you can see the detailing, there's a cutout, and that's the window for the off-white Air Jordan 1, and this is the second set. The first collab, I'm sure, is up on my channel already. This is the second one. Oh, wow. Okay, these are my first impressions, guys. The first I've seen them. Damn, they're cold. Yeah, these are much better than the original ones. Purple laces, orange laces, turquoisey, baby bluey laces, got black laces. Let's get straight into the shoe, man. Wow, these are wicked. So you got off-white Nike, you know, the stamp. You've got the rugged finish with the mesh and the foam. All white sole, all white shoe, obviously with the blue material hits. Sorry about that, get that. You've got the 85 like you had in the other shoe. So pretty much the same detailing, just a completely different colorway. Obviously, you've got the blue, what's it called? Not lanyard. What did I call it on the other shoe? I can't remember, but it was red on the other shoe, I think. And on this one it's blue. You've got the same orange stitching, the blue. You've got the diffuse underlay. You've got the swoosh here, the 3D effect, which is kind of on it. The box is pretty minimal. It's just the other shoe. I'll show you the guys the other shoe in a minute. But you've got air. You know what? I said it was all white, but actually it's coming out on camera as this is cream. This bit here is cream. This is more bluey. To be fair, yeah, that's probably a realistic portrayal of the shoe that you're getting on camera. The cream isn't as defined as it is on camera as it is in real life. It's a bit more subtle. But all the detailing that's going into the shoe is just sick. The shoe bag, definitely one for the summer. This is definitely a neck breaker. So there's the other shoe. You've got air, the same off-white Air Jordan 1 Oregon stamp. There's not really much else to say besides that I definitely prefer this colorway. I think it just pops a lot more with the color combinations that go on. You got neon orange, you got blues, you got creams. Definitely. What laces would you guys put on these? That's the question. Leave a comment down below which one you'd leave. Baby blue, orange, purple. For me personally, I'll probably put purple just to be leery, just to get a bit more colour on the shoe. But yeah, this is the off-white Jordan 1, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, peace. Have a good one.